Amazing. This is the most magical snow.
This is the most snow we've ever seen.
Have you
What
ever
do you
seen
think?
magic glow?
All right, go down the steps. Go down the steps. Let's see how tall it is. Go. Go with Dad. Go with Dad. Guinevere, concentrate.
Gwen, do you want to see the magic snow glow?
Yeah.
It's the magical blue snow glow. All right, go down the steps, kiddo. Come on, keep going. Go, 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 go. There you go.
See right down there? See it's blue? Right where my fingers are?
Hey, can you go and try to walk in that snow?
Wait a minute. I'll show you. Hold on. You girls have fun for a little bit. I'm gonna do.
Can you try to walk out there?
I'll try.
Past the bird bath? On this side, Guinevere.
Yeah,
On
follow
this
me.
side.
Oh, Dad's gonna dig a path maybe.
Well, I wasn't. That's what
Oh,
I'm doing.
okay.
There.
Just climb over it.
There we are. Just like this.
Can you climb up there? Can you climb up there? Can you fall over in it?
Mom, it's not up to me.
Yeah, well, go walk and like shuffle your feet like Mom. Can you even do that?
Oh, yeah.
Because it's up to my knees,
Not mine.
not yours. Here, come over here and stand where Mom's feet were.
No.
You want to stand where Mom's feet were?
No, I want
You want to make your own?
it up to my belly.
Come here. Come over here where I am.
I want to up to
We're going to try to build the biggest snowman ever.
Mom, can we eat the snow off the
No.
bird bath?
No, but I'll give you some snow. Come here.
Snow that we can eat?
Yes. You want to wipe all the snow off the bird bath and I'll set the camera there so the camera can just watch us play?
Okay.
That might be a good idea. Can you wipe it all off? Did Mom put her gloves in her pocket? Yes. Yes. Oh, it's all wet under there, huh? We'll just pack it down. That's fine. Can you just pack it down?
Okay.
Not with you. No. Put snow on top of it and pack it down like this. I'll show you. Get my glove on her. Go like this and pack it down. And pack it flat. Oh yeah. All right. Where are we gonna build a snowman?
Here.
Right here? Okay, hold on.
Anna, come here a second.
Oh, you want to go with Dad? Oh my goodness! Look what Dad did. So we have lost power. I don't know when I'm going to be able to put this video together or even upload it, but it is the most insane amount of snow. And it's so sticky and packed, like... Yeah, don't go all the way in, but you can sit in front of it a little bit. Dad's going to make sure it's safe. Look at you!
No. Turn around. What?
Oh no, your glove came off! It's stuck to the snow!
Don't want my hand up here. It's not bad enough.
It is quite gusty out.
Dad, we're having so much fun.
Woo!
Woo!
And after Dad shows you this fun trick, I think we should play over there a little more, okay?
Yeah, do you see the blue?
Just to be away from the trees.
See the blue glow?
Do you see the blue glow in there?
Dad!
What? See the magical?
Huh?
Huh? Sleep as a polar bear? Yeah.
Sleep like a polar bear in there?
You see the
Dada.
blue magic glow?
Dad might build you a safe little shelter thing. If we have time to. I don't know.
You feel like a polar bear?
Hey Anna, can you give your sister a little chance? A little try?
Yeah. Gwen, if you stick your head in there, you'll see the blue magic glow.
I was trying, but this
Alright,
is not going to be safe.
Anna, let your sister say. Come out here. Let's see it. Let's see if the camera can see it. Ah! Did you just throw snow at me? Do you see the blue glow in there? Yeah. Ah! All right, come here. Let me show you something way cool. I'm going to set the camera up. This little snowball, okay? You have to push it like this and roll it. Can you roll it?
Okay.
Right, Anna, come here. Can you come here? Can you get this snowball and try to roll it?
Oh, no, look! I'm on snow! I'm on the snow
You are on the snow mountain.
Mom, I'm rolling it.
Good. And then pat it every now and again. See? Look how big it's getting.
Can I help you roll it?
Yeah.
Mom, can I make it?
Yeah, come here.
This is my need to do teamwork.
We might need to do teamwork. Come on, Anna. Come help us push it. All right. We gotta pat it as we push. All right.
We're making the world's biggest ice cream.
Come on. Help me.
What about his head?
I'm going to build it. Okay?
Hi, camera.
Yeah, he's like not wanting to sit at all. I'll build a little camera holder, I guess.
Dad, what are you making?
Really careful.
Oh. Mom, he's making me an ice castle.
I know.
You and Gwen.
So Dad is building a safe ice castle for the girls to play in. Mom's building a giant snowman.
Yeah, his name's gonna be Olaf.
Olaf, huh?
His name's Olaf for sure.
You don't say. Alright. You keep talking to the camera while Mom and Dad are doing things.
Well, Mom built me a
Yeah, you girls
snowball
sit
that
down
I
when
could
the parents
eat.
play.
Right?
And
Right, parents have fun in the kitchen.
and there's movie kids so we could watch it build a snowman. Yeah, and a snow globe. And it's a snowstorm. Tell someone, Mama,
Yeah?
can you build snow girl?
Yeah, we're building the snow woman and the snow girl.
And the snow girl?
Yeah, we'll build a snow girl. We'll make this a snow girl.
Okay. And that can be the camel. And Mom, we need a snow prince.
A what?
A snow prince.
A snow prince too?
Yeah.
Okay.
And a snow princess.
Well, somebody else better start rolling some balls too, then. I can't do them all myself.
Well, I'm sure you can.
Talk to the camera while I'm doing it.
Mom, I gotta tell you something. What's that green thing on the snow?
A leaf?
It's broken?
Yeah.
No, not yet. Might take a look at the carpet a little bit, but do a little shoveling, work it out. Thanks, bud.
He's pretty nice, Dad. Dad, he's pretty nice.
What's that?
He's pretty nice.
Oh, he's super nice.
Yeah, he's so nice. Gwen, I'm about to the 6th.
Remember being at
Well, mine's a little taller than yours.
winter Christmas event? No, yeah, you know.
Yeah, how about Snow Christmas?
Snow Christmas?
Yeah. Let's sing the Snow Girl Snow Christmas.
Alright, you ready for this?
Uh-huh.
Girls, did you even see? Look at that.
Mom, we gotta stick the head a little better.
I'm sticking it. I'm sticking it. This is just the middle.
And he might need some stick arms for hugging.
For hugging?
Hey, ladies.
Huh?
The snow can waits.
Look at that snow cave.
Perfect.
What's that?
Perfect.
I said, look at this. And they're like, I think,
You're not gonna play in there after all that work?
I'm sure I can stay there. And they're like, I think
Go in there.
it needs some stick on.
Well, I like watching Mom build snow.
Okay.
I mean, a snow girl.
There you go. There's a comfy little snow cave. Ready to be on a survival challenge?
Right?
Yeah, that's exactly what it is. It's a polar bear cave. You see the snow glow?
Do you want to go see the snow glow?
I knew you would see
from
it.
here.
It's
You
magic.
see it from there?
I'm not getting up. I told you you'd see the
Let me
magic.
see.
See the magical snow glow? Anna, can you show Mom with the camera?
I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. Hey, look at me. What do you think?
You see my tongue?
I see it.
Is it white?
Well, it's pink.
Oh, yeah. It's snowy. It's got a snowy top.
Dad, I want to lay on the bed.
Oh, yeah.
Go.
There's a polar bear.
Gwen, you sure you don't want to go and lay in there and eat your snowball?
Oh, yeah.
All right, cool.
Can someone build me the other one?
Oh, you're going to have to share that.
Yeah, you have to share that one. We only have enough
You can
wood to
make it
make
a little
one.
bit bigger on the sides. And the bottom a little bit. You can dig it out. The shovel's right there, bro. Yeah. You can figure it out.
And Mom's building the snowman.
I like
Can you get up?
falling. Ugh. Can someone hold my snowball? Dad, it's my eating one.
Right.
I mean, my licking one.
Did you licking snowball? This is hard snow to walk in, huh?
See, you made my
Have you ever seen so much? Oh, move your foot so Sissy can sit in.
Yeah, you have
Can
to
you
share
move your
that.
foot? Anna? Thank you.
Can you move it over? There you go. Oh, good sharing polar bears.
Oh, that'll stop the wind too, huh?
Yeah, there you go.
All right, hey,
Should be nice and cozy.
I guess Mom will stick the camera here. You can talk to the camera. Do we have a bucket out here that we're not using? All right, Mom will just build another tower right here so for the camera. So I was like, that's gonna be a lot of snow again. All right,
Look at the beautiful cardinal.
where is he?
Can't miss him. Halfway up the tree. To your right, now he's just flooding
Oh, yeah.
to the house.
Can someone hold my snowball for a
Yes.
second?
Yes. Gotcha. He's
Let's
so
see, maybe we
beautiful
can
and
see
red
this
in
fire.
front of the white.
Can you see him? Can you see him up there? You see him in the tree?
No, I can't.
Look, right up there. Go on. Look at my finger. Watch my finger. Up there. Might have to back up. Oh yeah, you have to back up. You see him?
Oh,
Look.
I see it now.
Straight right there. You see him up there? Right there? Bright red? Bright red bird? That's a cardinal.
Perfect.
Perfect, huh?
Camera's so far back.
Yeah, go sit in your ice cave. That'll give you a snowball back. Alright, I'm gonna leave the camera on this side just for a second while I build a little camera holder.
That is a little. It's okay.
Yeah, it's not a really good word to say. So try it.
I want to get out to my sister.
Where are you going? Why? Oh. I just built the camera stand so that you could watch you sitting there. Okay. Gwen?
My hands. Big one. Mama?
Yep. What's up, babe?
I think I'll sit in my chair.
Okay. Or you gonna sit there with your sister?
No, the snowman.
Okay, go ahead, go ahead.
Mom, what about the snowball's eyes and eye?
Yeah, I have to build the head.
Yeah, and then another eye, and the nose, and the hair. And the buttons.
Well, you can come help if you want.
Yeah.
You want to come help? Okay.
Can someone get my snowball?
Well, if you're going to help, we're going to put the snowball down. Just leave it in your cave. It'll be fine.
Right here.
Perfect.
Here, let me go get the sticker.
What?
Said this is crazy snow. You shovel it, you think this is hard, a lot of snow, whatever. As soon as you barely expose the ground,
It melts because it's so warm.
yeah.
Yeah.
What you doing over there, Army Crawler?
I thought you were going to help me with the snowman.
Oh, stick on. I got you.
You want to crawl out there with your sister? You can put your snowball, your Edie snowball, back in the ice cave.
No.
So it'll be protected now.
Mom, I fell.
You fell.
Yeah, Mom, can you hold the sticker in?
Put it in the ice cave.
No.
I can't hold the stick arm. I gotta help your sister.
Oh, I guess I can.
She's stuck.
No, he's on it.
Oh no, you're buried. Oh no. I told you it'd be up to your belly button. Stand up. Ugh. So let's see. Let's try to get some area. Hey, can you ladies come stand over here for a second?
Hold on.
Okay.
Can you help me?
Yeah, and if you come over here for a second.
No, I'm trying to get the stick on.
Oh yeah, we're gonna find real stick arms, not break them off the tree.
Oh.
It's hard to break them off the tree.
Well, I got one perfect one.
Let me see how.
Stick arms over here.
Yeah.
Well,
Can you go stand right there? Anna, be careful. Hey, no. We have to go down the steps if we're going over there. Otherwise, you'll fall. Can you stand where Mama made a hole? Right there. Can you stand right over there where Mama made a hole? See the little.
Why?
Because I want to see how tall the snow is compared to you. It's almost up to your hiney.
Sure is.
That's the most snow you've ever seen.
Guys,
He made a slide?
Yeah, you can slide right
Oh
over.
boy.
Right there.
Can you get over there?
There you go. Oh, your butt sunk right in. All right, go ahead. Woo! See? Man, Man, where do we go sledding? We got like one day to go sledding.
Where?
Ah, the beach is fun, but it's flat. Right? We could just sled on the dunes.
You think?
I bet.
Yeah.
Straight
Try.
into the, what is that road in Strathmere? Not today. We'll have to do it tomorrow.
Yeah. Seattle Boulevard, I
There's
think.
no way that
I don't know.
should plow.
Yeah, no.
All right, you want me to grab these? Fix it? You want these stick-ons?
It's amazing. There's so much snow.
You know how water has memory.
The road is not even plowed. The cars have been driving all through it, which means it's all packed and icy. Yeah, so we can't make the snow cream again because we don't want to open the refrigerator because it's not quite that cold. Like, it's cold enough to snow, but I don't want the food to spoil being outside, so the milk has to stay inside. We also don't have any other ingredients because we literally drove home from Massachusetts visiting our baby cousin yesterday in the storm, which was terrifying, but we made it home safely. We had power through the night. We just lost power this morning. Hopefully it gets restored. But you can see like the snow is just making those branches so heavy. Our power lines are still up, but there's nothing in them, so there's no need to worry too much. I might take the girls on an adventure out back. Yeah, it's a little slippy, huh? A little hard to walk in the snow. I'm trying to get a glove off. Alright, you stick his arms in. Maybe we'll stick a head on him later. We'll go take a little adventure out back and we'll come back out front. Do you need help?
No.
Okay. You might have to pick up some of the snow and pack it in there. Like this. Like, put the arm in. You might need 2 hands on. Okay, put his arm in there. And then pack the snow around it like that.
My easy snowball. Oh, the snowball got the splinter.
Oh yeah.
Here.
Oh yeah. It's a try here.
Yeah.
Got it.
He had a splinter.
Yeah. Oh, keep packing it. I don't want his arm to fall.
Mom, I don't know how big the size snow. I guess we can try it. I guess I just...
Alright, use the snow behind you. You can use the snow behind you. You know. And then do you want to go for a walk? Out in the backyard to see what it's like?
Yeah.
And then we'll come back after take a few pictures. Here. Here. Pack it in. Pack the snow in there.
Mom, hold still.
I'm holding it. Oop.
Mom, that Edie snowball is...
I'll get you a new one.
Mom.
Pack the snow around the stick arm.
No, Mom.
Pack the snow in there. Ah! You little stinker. Ah! You little stinker. Come on, pack the snow around the arm. I can't hold it forever. Pack it in there. Real good. Push. Push. Good job. Do you want to hold it so I can pack some in too? Make sure it's real good. Hold the stick.
Mom, I need some stuff.
It's right here. This is all soft snow right here. Right here. You want to just hold it and I'll get the soft snow? Oh, okay.
Wait, you can.
Yeah, you hold it. Okay. Holding it really good? There you go. Okay. And go for a walk.
Mom, can you get me a new Edie?
Yeah, let's go in the backyard and go for a walk.
Dad made it easy.
Well, Dad made it kind of easy for a little bit, but then it's going to get difficult. Look how tall it is.
Yeah.
It's above your knees. It's up to your waist almost.
Oh, wait, you can eat some snow from that
Here.
table.
Oh, yeah. You want to go get the table?
Yeah.
Get some snow off the top?
Yeah.
Are you stuck?
We have to get to that table. No. We saw it. It says eating my data. Mom,
Yeah.
do you know how to carry me to it?
I can't carry you to it.
Because I don't
You're going to have to
want
make your own
walk
path.
it.
Can you walk next to your sister?
After me.
Did you fall down? You want to just crawl to it?
Yeah, that's the close. I don't know how. Mom,
Uh-oh, your glove.
Ah.
Push your hand. Is it good?
I think I might have to crawl. My boot!
Oh, no, your boot. Oh, your boot's still on.
Well, just slid it off a little bit.
Is it on? Oh.
Yep. And
All right, go.
ride to it. Oh, Mom.
This is very difficult to make a snow angel in, huh?
I'm almost
Yeah, it's
there.
up to Mom's knees,
Ah, I can't.
but they don't sink as deep because they're not, heavy.
Ah, almost there. Almost there. Gwen.
Do you see the trees, ladies? You want to sit on the same side?
No.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
You put your face in it?
Oh
Ready?
man.
Watch what Mom can do. Let her watch. Look, that's my face. You want to put your face next to my face right there? Just go, boop. Hold your breath. And put your face in. Look, that's your little face. Look at your little nose and your little lips.
Oh, I didn't do it.
Look, there's your little nose and your little lips. And it doesn't even stick to your face, does it? Not really. Oh, that was fun, huh? You standing on it? I mean, if you fall down, you're only going to fall in the snow. You fall backwards.
Oh.
Did you just put your face on it? Let me see. Look at that one face.
Yum.
Yum. Look at that little Anna face.
And what's this?
What's a... Look at that.
Oh, you wiped it off. Oh, Mom, I made a little nose.
Oh, yeah. All right, we're only going to be out for a little bit longer, okay? Because it's starting to get a little chilly. Okay, we have to go inside and warm up soon. But look at those trees, huh?
Hi, look at that. It's pretty snowy.
They're pretty beautiful, aren't they? The whole backyard is like Antarctica.
Yeah.
You want to say bye, camera?
Bye, camera. Hi, camera.
We'll see you later.
Yeah.
You do want to go inside? Yeah? Okay. Do you love your snow cave? Pretty cool.
Wait,
Huh? What? What about it? I don't understand the sign language. Can you use it words? Okay. Thumbs up? Double thumbs up? Okay. What are you trying to ask me?
I'm trying to ask you, can you always get more snowballs?
Yeah. Yeah. So we can go in. Do you want to come over and say goodnight to the snow princess?
Dad,
Girl?
I think she's hungry.
Oh, give us something.
Okay. Oh, how about that spiky food?
Sure, yeah.
Wait, no!
What? Oh, yeah. You can give her that too if you want.
Okay, give her a snowball. Are you hungry? This is eat. Okay, hurry up. She's patting it. Oh, eating it. She loves it.
Hey, wait a minute. What was the snow girl's name?
Elsa.
Elsa. Okay.
Dad, something's missing on her.
Something's missing. How could anything possibly...
She
What?
needs boobies.
All right, well, let's not... they're under her dress, honey.
What that? We need some spiky boobies. We need another spiky boobie. Dad, pick me up.
There's one right there on the ground, sweetheart. Right there.
On the ground. Dad, watch me make a nice, cute little snowman girl.
Okay.
That'd be so cute.
Oh, good one.
Get me up.
What? Excuse me? Come here.
Dad, you're making me funny. I can't.
You got it?
It's taking so long.
There we go. Can you walk? Oh, good. You need your glove?
No.
Okay.
I'm taking so fun. Dada,
Yes, darling.
she is missing something else.
Oh, yeah? What could she possibly be missing? I've put everything possible on her.
Dad, she's missing some. She's missing a wedding flower.
A wedding flower?
Yeah.
How about... Whoa.
Spiky.
No, how about one of those leaves that leave on your snow fort, your snow cave? You see it? That looks like a perfect flower.
I fell. I'm stuck in here.
Okay.
You mean the spikies? No, please.
Perfect.
Please. That you put it in her.
Yeah. You got it?
Can you put it in the.
You want it right there. All right, you ready to go in and eat?
I want to eat. I want to eat some real food.
Yeah, let's eat real food.
Dad, can I have a bop?
Yeah, of course. Did you have fun in the snow today?
Yeah. Easy wedding flowers.
Oh,
Let's do these wedding flowers. Okay, Dad. I'm going to make a little hole.
yeah. Okay,
Okay.
perfect.
There. Dad, do you think you can put this on?
Yeah, of course.
But I am touching snow every day.
Perfect. Wedding flower. All right, let's go eat real food.
Okay, that's everything. That was tomato chew on the.
Oh, yeah, put the tomato shoe. Remember, they go right here.
Well, we want it to be right.
Oh, okay, right there. Perfect.
I mixed it up in there.
Perfect. All right,
Oh,
now.
I have to do some digging now.
You have to do dig? I thought we were going in to eat real food.
When I wasn't done with that, I said. Yeah, I just had to scoot up. Okay, but I don't feel like got my wheel. Oh, it kind of.
All right. Well, can you say goodbye?
Bye.
You say goodnight to your snow girl?
Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Go, son. Go, son. Go, go. Okay, hold on. Go. Okay.